So we've got a WK2 Jeep Grand Cherokee here. Another one of the super common problems we come across. This problem is actually twofold. The first component is their front shocks are known for leaking out of the hydraulic ram. It's a common problem across many vehicles. You'll end up with oil running down the shaft. The catch is the genuine Jeep product is quite expensive. I can't remember the exact price. The Bilstein ones are even more so, which come in their SRT. So people are prone to purchasing aftermarket ones, which are much cheaper, and putting them in. The problem with the aftermarket ones is the design of the Jeep standard shock is it's got an internal bump stop design, and no one in the aftermarket world to date that I've come across has been able to replicate the genuine product without noises. So the aftermarket shock absorbers are prone to creating a knocking noise. It'll sound like sway bar links or ball joints. If you've got aftermarket shocks in there, it'll be that. The other thing is you can get this strange vibration sensation. It sounds like there's something loose behind the dashboard. Again, it's this internal bump stop design not done well. So if you're seeing colours on shocks in Jeep WK2s and you've got noisy front suspension, start by putting a set of genuine Jeep shocks in. Bite the bullet, spend the money and get the genuine product. I guarantee you your noise is that internal bump stop's not right.